So we have 2 little girls in this litter and 4 boys. Look at this giant economy-sized boy. He's so big. Hi guys, you're so cute. Anyways, hi babies. Can I get a picture of you? What are you doing? Hi, sweetie. You want in the picture too? Okay, you get in the picture too. Aww. You guys are so cute. And you're so cute. Yeah, you're so sweet. And Mr. Big Tubby Boy is so sweet. Hey, what are you doing? Hi, cutie. Oh, goodness gracious. It's making all that noise. You talking? You in your house? I'll get a picture of you in your house. There we go. He's a good boy. Hi, cutie. Where's Mama? There's Mama. Mama's wandering around. Hey, Wheezy. Miss Wheezy, what are you doing? Hi, Wheezy. Uh-oh, there goes the babies. They found Mom. There they go. Okay, kids. Whoops.